Hi, hello, greetings. My name's Adam, and it's my honor to share with you one of the most amazing, powerful testimonials I've ever shared about anybody before. Her name is Hindy, and you may have heard of her referred to as the spiritual cleaning lady because she cleans out spirits. Yes. And I want to bring left brain and right brain all together at one time. In if you've ever heard the terminology, everything is energy. Um, it's true. Everything is energy. Everything is energetic. We all have different energies. People have different energies. You can feel it. So everything is energy. That covers the quantity. So there's a lot of energy. It's everywhere. But how about the quality of energy? Um, Take a step back. Water. You have water. You have drinking water. You have ocean water. You have lake water. Toilet water. Use toilet water. Yuck. Okay, but there's all these different waters in quantity and quality. There's quality and energy, and sometimes there's negative energy, there's evil energy, there's all kinds of different energetic forces that are around us. And even if we have a clean energetic field, but people come into it with their energies, it can get stuck there. What Hindi does is she cleans it. She brings it back to neutral. She cleans the energy so that you can do whatever you want to do in your life. So if you are trying to succeed in a relationship, trying to lose weight, um, trying to run a business, and things look like they should work, they should make sense, but you just can't get them to work. You just can't get things to flow in the direction that you want. That is energetic restrictions, and Hindi cleans that out. One of the words that it comes under is called Feng Shui, and I don't really understand how it works. I just seen it. It's magical. It happens again and again and again in my life and with many many people who surround me. Hindi is a dear friend and a absolutely wonderful spiritual cleaner. If you've ever had your spirits, your area, your space, she clears the space in your house, in your office to make life easier and more delicious. So if you want a more delicious life, I highly recommend give Hindi a call, a text, whatever it might be, get in touch, um, and have the ability to believe. It seems like magic, and it is. Hindi, thank you. Love you dearly, and keep up the great work. Really appreciate you. Bye now.